Hello and welcome to this intense marketing course brought to you in part by Snipe and Purple Burger. This course is designed to take somebody who has never done internet marketing and take them all the way to being able to either run their own campaigns or to be able to run campaigns for others. The course obviously is going to primarily operate around the premise of how Snipe works, how we run ads, but only when we do things that are orientated to how you set things up in the back end. When it comes to researching keywords, when it comes to background research, planning, etc., these skills are cross-marketable. You can take the skills you learn here and use them everywhere. So there's a number of segments. About 10 of them will only be utilizable by Snipe. The rest of them will be utilizable anywhere with anything you do. Today, we're going to be focusing on the marketing mindset shift. And I say today, but obviously if you're doing this as a course, it's going to run as a flow. The marketing mindset shift is all about changing the way you approach things, the philosophy for your advertising. You'll see me check my notes a little bit, and Jesse will do a lot of Q&A with me. The idea is that I have been doing marketing myself for 20 plus years. Most of the things I consider a given are things that he doesn't really know anything about. And I think this is a problem a lot, that when I really look back at when I started running an internet business, how often courses appeared to be for people who knew nothing or almost knew everything. And there wasn't something that started at the beginning and took them all the way to the end. So that's what this is going to do. We're going to try and take you from beginning to end. So would you like to introduce yourself and Purple Burger?
Hi, I'm Jesse from Purple Burger. The company was invented about 2 days ago. So it's at this point an idea. And for me, the purpose of this course is to create something that will be profitable. I became self-employed about 11 months ago. And so far, I've had a lot of ideas. I've made a lot of plans. And that's about it. So I'm partnering here with Steve to kind of give myself, I call it a masogi. So it's like a challenge that either it's supposed to be extremely difficult and there's a chance of failure. I have about $1,000 left, and I'm going to see how throughout this course, I'm going to use that $1,000 to somehow create a business. That's about it.